It's a rainy day in his heart, and all his lights burn out. He wants to feel the sunshine, but all he feels is doubt. And he wonders if she hears him when he doesn't make a sound, or if she knows she saves him when the world shoots him down. She brings out the best in him, gives him motivation to keep going. So he wrote her a love note that went a little something like this: when you find yourself caught in the rain, just know you can call my name and I'll light up the sky. When you find yourself with growing pains, with hurt that just won't go away, then I'll bring Band-Aids strong enough to turn that pain to love. It's a summer day in her heart, with flowers all around. Everything seems perfect, but she's feeling kinda down. She wonders if he understands how much she really cares, how much she wishes every day that he could just be there. 'Cause he brings out the best in her, makes her feel like she's the most beautiful girl. So she wrote him a love note that went a little something like this: when you find yourself caught in the rain, just know you can call my name and I'll light up the sky. When you find yourself with growing pains, hurt that just won't go away, then I'll bring Band-Aids strong enough to turn that pain to love. When you find yourself with growing pains, look inside your pillowcase and read that love note I wrote just for a rainy day.